In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Adobe Lightroom mobile app. We'll walk through the process on an Android phone using the Google Play Store, and I'll share quick tips so everything goes smoothly. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. You'll find it in your app drawer or on the home screen, and it looks like a colorful triangle. If the Play Store asks you to sign in, go ahead and log in with your Google account to continue. For the fastest download, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and make sure you have a bit of free storage available. Large photo apps can take a couple hundred megabytes. Next, use the search bar at the top of the Play Store and type Lightroom. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear. You're looking for Adobe Lightroom in the results. Spelling matters here, so double check the word if nothing shows up right away. From the search results, select Adobe Lightroom Photo Editor. This is the official mobile version from Adobe. On the app page, confirm you see Adobe listed as the developer, glance at the star rating and reviews, and preview the screenshots to make sure it matches what you expect. The app is free to download and offers optional in-app purchases for premium features, so you can start without paying. When you're ready, tap the install button. The Play Store may show a short permissions notice. Review it and proceed to continue. You'll see a progress bar while the app downloads and installs. The time this takes depends on your connection speed. If you're on mobile data, keep an eye on your plan because downloads can use bandwidth quickly. If the Play Store warns you about insufficient space, clearing a little storage and trying again later usually resolves it. Once the installation finishes, the install button will change to open, and the Lightroom icon will be added to your app drawer or home screen automatically. That's it. The app is now on your device and ready for you to explore when you're set. If the app didn't appear in your search, try updating the Play Store app, check that your device's Android version is supported, and confirm that your region allows the download. A quick phone restart can also refresh the Play Store if needed. You've just learned the simplest way to download Adobe Lightroom Mobile on Android using the Google Play Store.